Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I'm going to be bringing with me in my hospital bag. I am currently 32 weeks, which we're getting so close to baby girl being here. I feel like before we know it, she's gonna be here. I'm currently in her nursery. We've been working on it ever since we moved into our new place, and I am loving how it's turning out. I picked out everything myself, and my husband and I have been decorating it and working on it. We're still missing a few pieces, so once those pieces arrive and I feel like it's complete, then I can show you guys a tour of everything. But this is like my dream nursery. I am so happy. I feel like we're officially ready for her to like be here. But I wanted to pack my hospital bag because you never know what's gonna happen. I feel like I'm 32 weeks, and as we get closer, she can either come early or she can be on time. My doctor said that she's supposed to be on time. It's looking like everything's going normal and smooth. So I'd rather be ready and not have to like rush last minute to pack everything and not know what I'm gonna bring with me. It is killing me. Much better. So before I started buying anything for my hospital bag, I made a list on my phone. I watched videos here on YouTube, which was super helpful. I also asked on Instagram, and I got so many good suggestions. So if you haven't started your hospital bag, I would recommend starting a list and make sure you go through it so you don't forget anything. A lot of people said that the hospital provides almost everything, so you don't really need to bring much except for the baby stuff and like some little things here and there. But I am like super picky with my stuff, and you know, people have personal preferences when it comes to certain things. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm gonna bring with me. I am bringing this in a carry-on luggage, just something really small. I'm also bringing this really small bag. It's like super cute and tiny, and all the baby stuff in here. For the most part, they do give you everything for the baby, so I'm just bringing like a few items, and that's why that bag is so small. I'll show you in a second, but let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna bring with me in my hospital bag. I did put everything in small cubes. This is what I use to travel, and I feel like it helps me stay organized. So I did separate everything by like my underwear, my socks, my toiletry. In the first cube, I have my undergarments. So these are the underwear that I'm gonna bring with me, and these are actually postpartum underwear. I got them off Amazon, and they come in a pack of 4, but they just seem pretty comfortable, and I will be like bringing pads with me as well. So I wanted underwear that was specifically for like post delivery. So I'm gonna bring 3 of these just to be sure. And then I got a really nice gift in the mail from a brand, and they included a ton of essentials to bring in my hospital bag. And they also included these underwears right here, which are also postpartum underwear, and they're very different from these right here. So I'm gonna bring 2 of these just because, you know, it's good to have some options. I'm also bringing a nursing bra. I got this one off Amazon. You guys are gonna see that most of the things that I'm bringing with me, I got off Amazon. I feel like everything was super affordable and got here like in 24 hours. Prime is literally life. So this one had the best reviews, and it's super comfy, and I did end up getting it in a size medium. And just for reference, my boobs right now are like a 34C, so they went up quite a bit, but they fit perfect in this bra. And then I'm bringing 2 different options for socks. I got these off Amazon, and I like that they have a little grip in the bottom, so they're gonna be good if I have to like walk around or like do anything. They're just really comfy, and they are a little bit shorter. And then these are a little bit longer. I don't know where these are from. I got them in the gift bag, but I do like that they're nice and cozy, and I love wearing socks. So I'm bringing those 2 options. I know they give you some at the hospital as well, but like I said, some people just have like a personal preference on things that they personally like to use. My second cube has all of my toiletry and my pads and stuff like that. I actually got this really helpful list. I'm gonna try and link it in the description box below, but it basically tells you about everything that you should bring in your hospital bag. And I found it super helpful being a first-time mom and not having a clue as to what I should bring. So I'm gonna try and find it, and I'm gonna link it in the description box below. I took a few nursing pads and I put it in a Ziploc bag just because I wanted to bring some of my own. I know they give you them at the hospital, but I really like the size of these, especially with the nursing bra that I'm going to be using. So I put some in here and that's coming with me. This is something that they definitely give you at the hospital, but I also wanted to bring of my own. These are organic, extra long maternity pads. So I put a few in here. I also bought like the postpartum underwear, women's underwear. I don't really know what they're called. I'll link them in the description box below. They're my second option. My first option are the pads, and then if I really need to use those, then I'll use those, but I just don't know how comfortable I'll feel using them. But a lot of people did recommend them and said that they were super helpful, so I will be bringing 2 or 3 in my hospital bag as well. I'm bringing some cleansing wipes for, you know, my private parts. I'm bringing like 5 or 6. This is the Earth Mama Herbal Perineal Spray, and it says it's a cooling mist for pregnancy and postpartum. This was actually recommended by so many moms. I'm excited to bring this with me. I am so bad with pain, so anything that can help me, I am like, yes, give it to me. Another product that was highly recommended was nipple butter, especially because I am planning to breastfeed, and it says it helps heal and repair dry skin, and this is safe to use if you're breastfeeding. I have a travel size shampoo and conditioner, cleansing wipes, hand sanitizer, super important. I'm putting one in my actual purse just because, you know, people are going to be visiting and I want to make sure everybody cleans their hands before they touch the baby. I have a hairbrush. I have argan oil so I can massage on my skin after the delivery. And then I have my body wash, and that's pretty much everything that I'm bringing in here. So for pajamas, I'm bringing 2 different options, and a lot of people recommended that I go with a dark color just because it can get a little messy. So I decided to go with a black and white nightshirt, and this is a button up so you have easy access. Well, I mean, the doctors have easy access, and the baby also has easy access when I'm breastfeeding. I got that off Amazon, and then I also got like the matching one, but this is the pants. The top is also a button up, but it's a really good material, both the nightshirt and the 2-piece, and I got it off Amazon and I am just so happy with it. And then I'm also bringing this really cute robe. I decided to bring a cute one and then like a normal one just so I can take some pictures. This was like super affordable also from Amazon, but I really like that it's in this champagne color, so I have something matching for the baby as well. And then this robe is a little bit longer, which I really like. So if I have to like walk around or, you know, I have people coming over, I just want to be comfortable. I don't know how I'm going to feel. I'm actually really nervous at the moment, even thinking about it. But I decided to get this one. It's extra long and it's also that super soft cotton material. And like I said, it's the matching to the pajamas. And this is the belt that comes with it. I'm also bringing flip-flops and slippers just to have some options. These actually I have to exchange for a smaller size because they're a little bit too big. I went with the reviews and I ended up going a size up and they are huge. My going home pants literally just got here in the mail like 5 minutes ago and I was like, yes, right on time. So let me show you guys my going home outfit. Nothing crazy, like super basic. I also got everything off Amazon. So this is what just came in the mail. These are loose fitting yoga pants. It's that really soft material and I like that it's stretchy and it's not tight at all. So they're going to be easy to put on and go home with. I also have a nursing tank. This was also recommended by so many people on Instagram and I got this off Amazon and I like that it has easy access for you to like breastfeed and it's really high quality. I'm also going to take this oversized white t-shirt. I got this from Amazon and this is part of their Amazon Essentials. I really like that oversized fit. It's a little bit longer on the back and it's just really comfortable. I love Amazon Essentials. I have like so many t-shirts, leggings, you name it, I have from them and they're just really good quality. Let me know if you guys want to see a separate video on like all my Amazon Essentials clothing wise because I'm telling you, like, don't sleep on it. The price is super good and the quality is also great. I'm also bringing this bag right here just for my dirty clothes. It's just a really small bag, and I want to make sure that I put aside the stuff that's dirty from the stuff that's clean. And then this was something that I watched a ton of videos and I didn't see a lot of girls mentioning it, but it's something that's going to be really helpful. It's the baby briefcase, and basically you can put all of the paperwork that they're going to give you for the baby at the hospital in here. And it's also labeled, so you can put her insurance, her birth certificate, her social security card, her vaccines, just a lot of different paperwork that I'm sure I'm going to be getting at the hospital. And it's also really small, so it fits really good in my small carry-on luggage. So this is something that I cannot forget and I highly recommend. This is a postpartum recovery belt, and this was recommended by so many people, so I decided to buy one. I got this one off Amazon and I went based on the reviews. It had thousands and thousands of good reviews, and I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. Like I said, you can use it whether you're having a C-section or a regular vaginal delivery, which that's the route that I'm going. But my doctor did say that I can use this if I wanted to. The good thing about this one is that it comes with a few different bands, and the pamphlet explains what each band is good for, so you can wear them all together or you can wear them separate. So I'm not really gonna go into details, but it basically helps with back support, or if you're breastfeeding, it also helps keep everything together and it helps with pain. So I'll link it in the description box below. Everything that I'm going to be mentioning today will be linked in the description box below. Moving on to the baby's bag, I'm going to be bringing all of her items in this little bag right here. And this is actually a vanity bag, but I figured it would be perfect to bring all of the baby stuff because I'm not bringing much. And my carry-on is the matching to this one. So if you guys are interested, I'll link it in the description box below. But I am so excited. The first thing that I see when I open the bag is a newborn diaper and a small little bag of wipes. I know they give you this at the hospital, so that's why I'm only bringing one and this little bag right here, just so that I can keep in this bag. This was something that was highly recommended on Instagram as well. A lot of people were saying that the baby could be born with long nails and they usually scratch themselves. So I'm bringing 2 pairs of mittens to match this cute little outfit. Like it's so cute. I can't even deal. So I'm going to bring 2 outfits, 2 different sizes, just based on the baby's size. Then I'll, decide which outfit I'm going to go with. But this is definitely one of them. It is super, super cute. And then this is the matching hat. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm having a baby. Like, she's going to be here before we know it. And I'm just like, so excited. Okay, I'm bringing a burping cloth. I'm bringing a bib, just in case. And then I'm bringing 2 pairs of cute little tiny newborn socks, which I do have to wash everything. So I just, put everything in the bag so that I can show it in the video, but I haven't washed her clothes yet. I did separate everything by sizes. So now that we're getting a little bit closer to her being here, I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything. I brought a swaddle. Everyone says every baby is different, so I'm bringing 2 different options. This one and a really pretty floral one, and then a coming home blanket. And that's everything that I'm going to bring with me in the baby's bag, because I feel like you don't really need much. They give you everything you need in the hospital for the baby. A few things that I didn't show in this video, but I will be bringing with me to the hospital is my makeup bag. I'm going to bring this little bag right here and just put a few products to do like a really natural, no makeup look on my going home day. And my 10-foot charger, which I have 2, one for Jose and one for myself, my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and I think that's pretty much it. If I am missing anything that I really need, please let me know in the comments below, because I feel like for the most part I have everything I need. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, maybe found it helpful if you're an expecting mom as well. This is a really exciting time, and I'm just like, oh, I can't wait. I'm like, I'm just so ready. I'm like, every time I think of it, I'm just like, I cannot believe we're having a baby girl and she's gonna be here before we know it. So yay. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.